Want to become a proficient Python developer? This journey involves sharpening a diverse set of skills. From mastering core Python concepts, understanding object-oriented programming, to navigating web development frameworks, each skill forms a crucial part of the Python developer's toolkit. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. We'll dive deeper into each of these areas, unpacking the knowledge you need to truly excel. So, are you ready to level up your Python game? Keep watching to uncover the top skills you need to master. First on the list is mastering core Python knowledge. This involves a deep grasp of basic data types such as integers, floats, strings, lists, and dictionaries. But it doesn't stop there. You also need to become intimately familiar with Python's syntax and control flow structures like loops and conditionals. Of course, let's not forget about Python's rich assortment of built-in functions and libraries, which can significantly enhance your coding efficiency. Core Python knowledge forms the bedrock of your Python programming skills. Next, let's delve into object-oriented programming. This programming paradigm is a cornerstone in Python, focusing on objects and classes. The key principles here are encapsulation, which bundles data and methods into a single unit, inheritance, allowing classes to inherit features from other classes, and polymorphism, enabling entities to take on many forms. The ability to design and implement classes and objects is crucial in Python. A strong grasp of OOP principles can significantly level up your Python programming skills. Moving on to web development frameworks, a Python developer's proficiency isn't complete without experience in web frameworks like Django or Flask. These are pivotal for back-end development, providing a streamlined process for building and maintaining web applications. Understanding routing, templates, and ORM, or object relational mapping, is essential. These elements help you interact with databases, create dynamic web pages, and manage the application's URLs efficiently. Web development frameworks are key tools in a Python developer's toolkit. Database knowledge and version control are next on the list. Harnessing the power of databases with SQL and ORM is a key skill. It helps you to manage and manipulate data effectively. But what about your code? That's where version control steps in. Familiarity with systems like Git is essential. It allows you to track changes, resolve coding conflicts, and collaborate with ease. These skills are invaluable in managing and controlling your code and data. Now let's talk about testing, debugging, and profiling. A top-notch Python developer understands the importance of testing frameworks like PyTest. With experience in crafting unit tests and integration tests, they can ensure robust code. Debugging tools, be it PDB or an integrated development environment feature, are their secret weapons for identifying and fixing code issues swiftly. Profilers, on the other hand, help them optimize their code, making it efficient and speedy. These skills are crucial for ensuring the quality and efficiency of your code. Web technologies and concurrency are also important. A well-versed Python developer should understand front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Grasping RESTful API design and integration is also key, allowing for effective communication between different parts of a web application. Now let's talk concurrency. Python offers features to write concurrent code, making tasks run simultaneously and increasing efficiency. Being proficient in asynchronous programming using Python's async and await keywords is a definite advantage. Mastering these skills can broaden your capabilities as a Python developer. Finally, let's look at package management, automation, and CI/CD. A competent Python developer should have experience with package management tools like pip and understand the importance of virtual environments for managing dependencies. They should also be proficient at writing scripts to automate tasks, using tools like Ansible or Fabric. Knowledge of continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines is key to automate testing and deployment processes. Familiarity with tools like Jenkins, Travis CI, or GitLab CI is a plus. These skills are vital for efficient project management and deployment. Don't forget about soft skills. These are just as critical as technical skills. Effective communication helps in team collaboration. Problem-solving and critical thinking abilities enable you to tackle complex coding challenges. And adaptability. It's essential in this ever-evolving tech world. Let's recap. Core Python knowledge, OOP, web frameworks, databases, version control, testing, debugging, web technologies, concurrency, package management, automation, CI/CD, and of course those invaluable soft skills. Remember, becoming a proficient Python developer is a journey. Keep learning, stay updated, and continue to hone these skills. Good luck on your journey to becoming a Python expert.